this is Yaman and you're watching me on India Kitchen. So now today I'm going to show you a delicious and yummy recipe called pink bread laddoo. So let's get started. To make the pink bread laddoo, we need some bread, condensed milk, and your choice of rose essence. So let's get started. First, take a bread and cut on the edges like this. Next, take the bread slices and put into the blender. The breadcrumbs are ready. Transfer the breadcrumbs into the bowl. Wow, it's looking like a snow now. Next, add the condensed milk. Next, add the rose essence. Now mix it well. And you can also add strawberry syrup. Now the dough is ready. Now we should make some small balls. See, the color is simply amazing now. See? My pink bread laddoo is ready now. I have decorated very cool now. Hope you like my decoration. I'm going to taste it.